Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Vinitha, and I am just so thrilled to have you joining me here today. Today, we're stepping outside into the heart of our summer homes, the garden. Our outdoor spaces should be cozy and personal, an extension of where we live and love. We'll explore 15 ideas to transform your garden into a stunning summer sanctuary. Think of it as bringing the comfort of your living room out into the fresh air. These ideas will help you create spaces that tell your story. I've gathered these ideas for you, from simple touches to transformative projects. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable, and stay with me until the end. I have a feeling you'll find inspiration to create your own garden heaven. Let's get started on making this summer the most beautiful one yet in your outdoor spaces. First up, let's talk about something that can instantly define and anchor an outdoor area. Colorful outdoor rugs. Laying down an outdoor rug is like rolling out a welcome mat for sunshine and good times. It immediately creates a sense of an outdoor room, a designated spot for lounging, dining, or just gathering with loved ones. When you're choosing a rug, think about the colors and patterns that make your heart sing. There are so many durable, weather-resistant options out there now, so you don't have to worry about them facing the elements. Consider the size, too. A larger rug can make a seating area feel more generous and inviting, while a smaller one can highlight a cozy little nook. It's a fantastic starting point for building your outdoor oasis, setting the stage for all the other layers of comfort and style we're going to talk about. Oh, there's just something undeniably magical about string lights, isn't there? They transform any garden into a whimsical wonderland, perfect for long summer evenings. Drape them overhead for a twinkling canopy, or use solar-powered options for easy installation. Remember, string lights add that touch of everyday magic to any evening. Let's talk about one of my favorite ways to bring life to any outdoor space: potted plants. The beauty of pots is their versatility. You can move them around as the seasons change. Even a small space can become a lush oasis. Play with different sizes, shapes, and colors. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, potted plants are rewarding. There's a certain kind of quiet elegance that garden sculptures and statues bring to an outdoor space. They act as focal points, drawing the eye and inviting contemplation. Whether it's a classic cherubic figure nestled amongst the roses, a sleek, modern, abstract piece standing tall against a backdrop of ornamental grasses, or a whimsical animal sculpture peeking out from under a fern, these elements add such a unique layer of personality. Choosing a garden sculpture is a very personal journey. It should be something that resonates with you, something that reflects your style and the story you want your garden to tell. Think about the material as well. A well-placed sculpture can also help to define a space or create a sense of destination within the garden. Creating a truly inviting garden means having comfortable and beautiful places to sit, relax, and enjoy the outdoors. That's where the right outdoor furniture comes in. It's not just about having a chair to sit on, it's about curating pieces that extend your living space, encouraging you to spend more time soaking up the sunshine or enjoying a meal al fresco. The goal is to find that perfect blend of practicality pieces that can withstand the elements and aesthetics that reflect your personal style and the overall feel of your home. When you're choosing outdoor furniture, think about how you want to use your garden. Are you dreaming of long, leisurely dinners with family and friends? Then a sturdy dining table and comfortable chairs are a must. Ultimately, your outdoor furniture should be an invitation to slow down, to connect with nature, and to connect with each other. If you're looking to maximize your green space, a vertical garden is a fantastic solution. Think upwards, using walls, fences, or even the side of a shed. Imagine a lush tapestry of foliage and flowers. Create a vertical herb garden near your kitchen, making it easy to snip fresh herbs. There are many systems available, from simple pocket planters to modular systems. A vertical garden saves space and adds style. Look up and cultivate green magic. There's something inherently calming and restorative about the presence of water in a garden. The gentle sound of trickling water from a fountain or the reflective beauty of a small pond can instantly transform your outdoor space into a tranquil oasis. Water features not only add visual interest and a soothing soundtrack to your garden, but they also attract wildlife, like birds and butterflies, adding another layer of life and movement. You don't need a huge space or a massive budget to incorporate a water feature. There are so many lovely options available, from simple tabletop fountains that can sit on a patio table to self-contained bubbling urns or wall-mounted spouts that create a gentle cascade. Beyond the aesthetics and the calming sounds, a water feature engages so many of our senses. It's about creating a little pocket of serenity, a place where you can pause, breathe, and reconnect with the natural world right in your own backyard. As the summer sun dips below the horizon, there's nothing quite like gathering around the warm, inviting glow of an outdoor fire pit. It's a natural focal point, drawing people together for conversation, laughter, and roasting marshmallows. A fire pit extends the usability of your garden well into the evening, making it a cherished spot for memories. Garden pathways and stepping stones do more than just provide a way to get from one point to another. They guide the eye, create a sense of journey, and add charm to your outdoor space. They invite exploration, leading you through different areas, revealing hidden nooks. There are many beautiful materials to create pathways, each offering a different aesthetic. Classic brick pavers lend a timeless feel, while natural flagstones create a rustic look. Stepping stones are charming for meandering paths. Pathways define garden zones and make spaces feel larger. Think about the routes you take and how pathways enhance that experience. One really lovely way to bring focus and personality to your garden is by creating themed sections or rooms. Just like inside your home, where you have a kitchen for cooking and a bedroom for resting, your garden can have distinct areas dedicated to specific purposes or aesthetics. Imagine a dedicated herb garden, perhaps in raised beds or charming containers near your kitchen, filled with the fragrant scents of basil, rosemary, and mint. Or what about a tranquil meditation corner, tucked away in a quiet spot with soft plantings, a comfortable bench, and perhaps a gentle water feature? You could create a vibrant cutting garden, bursting with flowers ready to be brought indoors, or a playful children's garden with whimsical elements and hardy plants. The key is to choose a theme that resonates with you and your interests. This approach makes your garden feel more like a collection of experiences, each with its own unique charm and appeal. Bring the comfort of indoors outside with cushions and throws. These additions make any seating inviting. Choose UV-resistant, water-repellent fabrics. Think about your seating types: deep-seated cushions for sofas, plush pads for dining chairs, and scatter cushions for a luxurious feel. Textiles bridge indoors and out, layer on comfort for a favorite spot. There's a special kind of joy that comes from inviting nature right into your garden. Adding bird feeders and bird baths is an easy way to do that. They provide essential resources for birds, especially during dry or cold spells. They bring life, movement, and song to your space. Bird feeders come in all shapes and sizes, designed to attract different types of birds. A bird bath provides water for drinking and bathing. Incorporating these elements creates a vibrant ecosystem. The chirping, colorful wings, and playful antics bring happiness. Add a bird feeder or bath and enjoy nature's company. If you're looking for a clever way to make a smaller garden feel more expansive, or to add an unexpected touch of intrigue and light, then garden mirrors are a fantastic design trick. Just like indoors, mirrors can create the illusion of depth and space, reflecting the beauty of your plants and flowers and bouncing light into shadier corners. When choosing a garden mirror, opt for one that is designed for outdoor use, often made with acrylic or specially treated glass that can withstand the elements. Consider what your mirror will reflect. Positioning it opposite a particularly beautiful plant, a colorful flower bed, or an interesting architectural feature will double the visual impact. A well-placed garden mirror can add a touch of magic and surprise. So play with reflections and see how a strategically placed mirror can expand not just your garden, but also your imagination. Your garden is a canvas, and what better way to express your personality and add a unique touch than with outdoor art? This can be anything from a vibrant mural painted on a fence or shed wall to carefully chosen sculptures, wind chimes that create a gentle melody, or even beautifully crafted metalwork. Outdoor art brings an element of surprise and creativity to your landscape, turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary focal points and conversation starters. Think beyond traditional garden ornaments. A brightly painted old door leaning against a wall can become a piece of art, A collection of colorful ceramic tiles embedded in a pathway or on a tabletop can add a pop of unexpected beauty. It's all about finding pieces that speak to you and that complement the overall style and feel of your garden. So let your creativity bloom and see how a touch of art can bring a whole new dimension to your outdoor haven. In the midst of a bustling life, we all need a little sanctuary, a quiet corner where we can escape, unwind, and lose ourselves in a good book, or simply our thoughts. Creating a cozy reading nook in your garden can provide just that, a personal retreat surrounded by the beauty and tranquility of nature. The first ingredient for a perfect reading nook is comfortable seating. Think a deep cushioned armchair, a charming bench piled high with soft pillows, or even a romantic swing or hammock gently swaying in the breeze. Consider the little details that will make your nook even more inviting. This little corner of your garden should be a place that truly nurtures your soul. Your reading nook is your personal invitation to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to reconnect with yourself amidst the beauty of your own outdoor creation. And there you have it, 15 ideas to transform your garden into a stunning summer sanctuary. I hope you found some inspiration today to create a space that feels uniquely you. Your garden is an extension of your home, a place for joy and connection. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to make your heart happy. If you enjoyed these ideas, please subscribe for more inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're planning to try one out. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Happy gardening, and see you back here soon for more inspiration.